Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back with I guess I should say non-geezer bits. Just wasn't much happening this week. Didn't find much that interested me or that I thought would interest you. But I did want to mention the Pocophone F1. If you're like me, a lot of us have been wondering if the Pocophone F1 would work on US bands, and it pretty much was generally accepted that it wouldn't. But Android Stud did get the Pocophone F1, and he specifically made a video referencing T-Mobile and LTE. So I'll leave a link to his unboxing and to the T-Mobile LTE video that he did. But other than that, there just wasn't much happening that I thought you'd be interested in this week. But of course, next week we'll be talking about the iPhones and whether or not I'll be getting one, and see who will be getting one. So that's all I wanted to say this week. Just wanted to let you know there isn't an official Geezer Bits for this week, but I did want to mention Android Stud and the Pocophone. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. Oh, and as you can see, when I don't have to read from the screen, I don't need the glasses.